You wake up, you stand, but something feels weaker. The knees buckle just a little. You try to lift something small, and your arms don't feel the same. This isn't just aging. This is your body screaming for help. According to Harvard Health, after age 60, your muscle loss accelerates fast, about 8% every decade. By the time you're 80, you may have lost half your strength. Not just strength to exercise, but to stand, to walk, to live independently. Now here's the part no one tells you. Muscle loss is silent, no warning signs. You don't feel it leaving until one day you fall. And that fall? Mayo Clinic reports it could start a chain reaction, a hip fracture, hospitalization. And for 1 in 3 seniors, loss of independence forever. But all of this can be reversed, not with a drug, not with a gym membership, but with one habit. Daily habit 1. The 30-10 rule. Every 30 minutes, move your body for at least 10 seconds. Sounds simple? It is, but powerful. The NIH explains that long periods of sitting reduce blood flow to the legs by over 50%. This starves your muscles of oxygen. Without oxygen, they shrink. Fast. But just 10 seconds of light movement, standing, lifting your knees, slow squats, can reactivate circulation. Every time you stand, you send a signal to your muscles. Stay alive, stay strong. Use your microwave timer, your phone, even commercial breaks on TV. Don't let 30 minutes go by without movement. Now here's the twist. You could be doing all this and still losing muscle. Why? Daily habit 2. Eat 30 g of protein. Before noon, most seniors eat more protein at dinner, but according to Harvard Medical School, that's the wrong time. Your body repairs muscle better earlier in the day, when cortisol and energy levels are high. Morning protein creates an anabolic trigger, helping you build more lean mass from the food you already eat. Skip it, and your muscles keep shrinking, no matter how much dinner protein you take in. What does 30 g look like? 3 boiled eggs, plus Greek yogurt, protein smoothie with soy milk, peanut butter, and flaxseed, oatmeal with whey protein stirred in simple, fast, and effective. But there's more. Daily habit 3. 1 leg workout per day. Yes, just one. Your legs contain over 50% of your body's muscle. Lose your legs and you lose your freedom. NIH research shows leg strength is directly tied to longevity. Seniors with strong quads and calves live longer, stay independent, and are 40% less likely to fall. So here's the rule. Every day, do one of the following: 10 chair squats, 10 stair step-ups, 15 wall sits, 20 seconds of marching in place. This takes less than 2 minutes, but it wakes up your nervous system. It keeps the largest muscles in your body online, and it restores strength faster than any cardio machine. Now before tip 4, a serious question. Do you ever wake up in the middle of the night, sore, or feeling your muscles are tight or twitchy? There's a hidden reason, and it's destroying your recovery. Daily habit 4, nighttime magnesium. Fix NIH data shows over 60% of seniors are deficient in magnesium. Why does that matter? Because magnesium is responsible for muscle relaxation, protein synthesis, deep restorative sleep. Without it, you're not repairing muscle at night. You're breaking it down. Worse, many senior medications, diuretics, PPIs, even blood pressure drugs, flush magnesium out of the body. The fix? Take 250-350 milliliters of magnesium glycinate 1 hour before bed, or add these magnesium-rich foods daily. Pumpkin seeds, spinach, almonds, dark chocolate, avocados. Sleep deeper, muscles recover. And energy the next morning? Completely different. But what about inflammation, the stiffness, the soreness? There's one habit that almost no doctor mentions, but may be the missing key. Daily habit 5. Walk barefoot for 10 minutes indoors. Yes, barefoot. Here's why. As you age, your foot muscles weaken. They lose sensitivity. This reduces your body's ability to balance. But walking barefoot, especially on different surfaces, activates over 100 foot muscles. It improves proprioception and resets your balance signals from the ground up. In a study by the Journal of Aging and Physical Activity, seniors who walked barefoot 10 minutes a day showed 2x improvement in stability compared to shoe wearers. Start simple. 5 minutes on carpet, 5 minutes on a textured mat. Avoid tile or sharp surfaces. Feel your body wake up. Still with me? We've hit the movement, the protein, the recovery, but none of it matters if this one silent killer is left unchecked. Daily habit 6. Fix your blood sugar, even if you're not diabetic. Here's the scary part. According to the CDC, over 88 million Americans over 50 have prediabetes, and most don't know it. Even a small rise in blood sugar can cause nerve damage, chronic inflammation, and yes, muscle breakdown. When insulin levels stay high, your body stops building muscle and starts storing fat, especially in the belly. You don't have to be diabetic. Even mildly high sugar can do the damage. Here's the fix. Drink a glass of water with 1 TBSP apple cider vinegar before dinner. Take a 10-minute walk after meals. Limit white bread, pasta, pastries, even if just once a day. Replace with fiber-rich foods like chia, lentils, oats, and berries. And if you want one secret weapon, add cinnamon to your coffee or oatmeal. It improves insulin sensitivity by up to 20%, according to Harvard Medical Review. Still think sugar is only about weight? It's about muscle loss, it's about fatigue, it's about aging faster than you should. Now we're almost done. Let's review. Move every 30 minutes, 30-10 rule. Eat 30 green protein before noon. Train your legs daily, just one move. Take magnesium at night. Walk barefoot indoors. Balance your blood sugar, even if you're not diabetic. Each habit is simple. Takes minutes. Costs almost nothing. But the result? More strength, faster recovery, less fatigue. And a body that feels 20 years younger. One final truth. Muscle isn't just about strength, it's your metabolism, your immunity, your balance, your freedom. Lose it, and you lose life itself. But rebuild it, and you regain control, no matter your age, because strength has no deadline. And every day you wait, your muscles don't. Start today. Pick one habit, then 2, then all 6. And feel what it's like to be 70 and move like you're 40 again.